Hey guys, it's Jack from Gallery Group here at the Infinity Project in Sanctuary Cove. Just a bit of a side update here. We have all the structural steel in with all the steel purlins, all the blockworks up, putting up frames, doing the box gutter, and we're about to start on the fascia all around the outside of the building. So in the coming weeks, we're going to get the roof on. We're going to do a bit of landscaping. We're going to get all the doors and windows in, so get the place to lock up. And then we can start doing all the internal fit out. So we can start doing plasterboard and cabinetry and pretty much get this whole job wrapped up. Stay tuned for more updates.